Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and review the latest in office essentials. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone with hardwood floors and an office chair, the Lemostaar office chair mat. Stay tuned to find out why this is the best large chair mat for hardwood floors you can get. Let's start with the basics. The Lemostaar office chair mat measures an impressive 63 inches by 51 inches. Making it suitable for most office setups, including L-shaped desks. Its 1.5 mm thickness ensures durability without sacrificing flexibility. This mat is designed to protect your hardwood floors from the wear and tear of rolling office chairs. What sets this chair mat apart? Firstly, its non-slip design keeps it securely in place while allowing your chair to glide smoothly. The ramped edges make rolling on and off effortless, preventing any tripping hazards. Made from premium, eco-friendly plastic, the Lemostaar mat is not only sturdy and transparent, but also free from harmful chemicals like phthalate, ensuring a safe environment for your home or office. Users rave about its ease of cleaning, no more stubborn crayon marks or food spills to worry about. Plus, its robust construction means it won't crack, curl, or discolor over time, promising years of reliable use. Beyond protecting floors, this mat proves versatile, perfect for use on vinyl, laminate, tile, or even concrete surfaces. It's not just for office chairs either. You can use it under gaming setups, desks, and more. How does it stack up against the competition? Unlike cheaper alternatives, the Lemostaar mat combines size, durability, and safety features that make it a standout choice for those serious about floor protection. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best large chair mat for hardwood floors, look no further than the Lemostaar office chair mat. Its size, build quality, and eco-friendly materials make it a clear winner in our books. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and current pricing. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. Thanks for watching.